this is Srikanth. Today I will explain about sine DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here sine DAX function syntax. Sine and add any numbers. Okay. See this here and next to go to Power BI desktop. See this here I am already entered some data manually and next to click new column. Type here sine. Okay. Once you read this sine and next returns the value of a number 1 if the number is positive and 0 if the number of is 0 or -1 if the number is negative. Okay, let's press enter and next type here column name and next type here table name and next column name and close this parenthesis. See this here, it's automatically showing this is a negative value and positive value. This is sine DAX function in Power BI desktop.